This is a brand new 2012 Ford Mustang. It features a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sport suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, 19-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and a rear spoiler. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Champion Ford Katy is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 20777 Interstate 10 West in Katy.